Give your kitchen a fun renovation. I'm sure you'll love it. Our kitchens are one of the most important rooms in our homes. It's where we cook, eat, and entertain. But as time passes, our kitchens can become outdated, overcrowded, and uninspiring. If you're feeling like you're no longer excited about spending time in your kitchen, it might be time for a simple renovation. A kitchen renovation will not only make your space look better, it can also make it more functional and increase your home's value. In this blog post, we'll discuss easy ways to fall in love with your kitchen again. Reorganize your cabinets and drawers. The final step to falling in love with your kitchen again is to reorganize your cabinets and drawers. Declutter and rid yourself of any items you no longer need. Organize your items by category and make sure the items you use most often are easily accessible. Consider installing pull-out shelves or lazy Susans to make the most of your kitchen cabinet space. With a little organization, you'll find that your kitchen is a more inviting and enjoyable space. Upgrade your appliances. If your appliances are outdated, a kitchen renovation is an excellent opportunity to upgrade them. By replacing your old and inefficient appliances with newer models, you can make your kitchen more functional and energy efficient. If you're looking to make a statement, consider choosing a high-end appliance, such as a stainless steel fridge, that will make your kitchen feel luxurious. Add a backsplash. A backsplash is a simple addition that can completely transform your kitchen. It can help protect your walls from spills and give your kitchen a more polished look. The great thing about backsplashes is that there are so many options available. You can choose from tiles, glass, or even metal. If you're looking to add some personality to your kitchen, consider using patterned or colorful tiles. Replace your countertops. Your countertops play a significant role in the overall look and feel of your kitchen. Upgrading your countertops can completely transform the space. If you're an avid cook, think about choosing a countertop material that is durable and holds up well against heat and spills, such as granite or quartz. Alternatively, if you're looking for a more budget-friendly upgrade, consider using a countertop refinishing kit to give your current countertops a fresh new look. Upgrade your lighting. Lighting is a crucial part of any kitchen renovation. Just adding a new light fixture or replacing some of your light bulbs can make your kitchen look brighter and more inviting. If you have a darker kitchen, consider adding under cabinet lighting or pendant lights above your kitchen island to brighten up the space. Brighter lighting also makes it easier to prepare food and cook. If you're no longer feeling inspired by your kitchen, it's time for a simple renovation. By upgrading your lighting, replacing your countertops, adding a backsplash, upgrading your appliances, and reorganizing your cabinets and drawers, you can fall in love with your kitchen again. Remember, a renovated kitchen not only looks better, but it can also increase your home's value. So why not create a space you love spending time in? Start your renovation today. Thanks for watching.